Here we go, we're going to make the silencer body, or the muffler body. So just gotta, there's actually formulas for this to get, for the proper noise cancellation, like for 500cc and 1200cc and all that, but we're just gonna do quite a big one to match that and make it look good. So I think 45-degree angles, and we've got to leave a bit extra for the bit we've got to beat round for the seams. So 45 there, and then 45 here. Chamber about that size would look right, I think. Possibly a little bit bigger. There, I've drawn that out, and I'll cut that out, and then I'll see how it looks. I may reduce it down this way a bit, but this is the bit which gets folded over, and you'll see how it goes, or see how it looks when I cut that out, and then we can change it from there. Yep, I've trimmed it down like 1 7/8 and I'm gonna now cut out 2 of these and start to fold them around. This is 2mm. Here's the 2 halves of the silencer body beaten out. There's a top and a bottom there. And then I'll weld up the corners and then start welding it together. And then that all goes at the end. Then I've finished welding the chamber together. I've got to do a little bit of panel beating still. We can get in there with my stake anvil and flatten that out a bit, give it a bit of a grind, and then I'm getting ready to attach the fishtail to the end. Usually there's a bit of a tube here, which the tube extends 2 inches that way and 2 inches that way, but I'm not going to have that because I want it a bit more rowdier, because apparently these are really quiet, and a friend of mine has them on a couple bikes and they are actually extremely quiet. So yeah, I want this one a little bit rowdy. There we go, all finished. The chamber's all welded up. I've still got to drill the hole through it to weld in that tube for mounting it to the frame. This has a massive fishtail on it. And it doesn't have, yeah, like I was saying before, that one should extend 2 inches and that one should extend there, and it sort of creates a, I don't know, some kind of chamber, but this one's totally hollow, so it should have a nice waffling sound to it. It's a bit rough, but I'm no expert. Didn't take long to make though.